Well, I've cut the panel, I've shaped it and done all sorts of things. I've just painted the other side of it with this, well, not edge primer, it's the weld through primer, so it's got a lot of zinc and galvanising stuff on it. Now when I made this panel, I made a couple of mistakes really. I made loads of mistakes. First one, what I should have done is planned it out a bit more, which I didn't. I went straight for the bead roller and put that piece in. What I should have done, because I forgot I've got a roller. I could have actually rolled that curve there. But consequently what I've done it in the vise, just putting little bits at a time, and I've got a nice curve. It's a nice good fit anyway. The other mistake I made, didn't make it long enough. So I've done all this work, and I've done all that, and I thought, well, what do I do now? Do I start again? So no, so I did a welded piece on the end. You can't see it now anyway. By the time I do some sort of treatment under there anyway, it's going to be absolutely fine. These holes there I've drilled, these are some plug welds underneath. So the plan now is that's all tacked in, it's about the best I can get it. I'm drawing a line down here and I'm grinding this right away down there, and hopefully that's the bit that I cut off underneath it, so I should be able to butt weld it together. The other thing I have found since I've been doing this sort of fabricating stuff, I've only been doing it for about 6 months. I started off sort of okay, I'm getting better and better. I'm not brilliant, but I'm getting. I think where the key point is really is when you make a patch panel like this or any panel, spend more time getting it to fit properly. You know, if you spend another 10 minutes on it, it's well worth it, because time you sort of weld it in and you've got to try and dress it out and try and make it fit, it just doesn't actually work. So spend your time dressing it all up and making it fit better. This is the best I can get at the moment. I'm quite happy with it. I think this is where the battery goes anyway, and that's for the voltage regulator. There's a fuse, but I'm not sure what I'm going to put on there or how I'm going to put them yet, because I've just cut all the wires off. I'm not going to chance any of the wires on this car because this was 60, 70 years old. So I'm going to go rewiring a whole lot anyway. So this is my panel at the moment. I'm going to, like I say, I'm going to cut down here, weld it all together. Then I'm going to cut right across here like this, right across here, right the way through into the bulkhead, and weld it. Well, see how it goes. Well, it's all welded in, and I've actually ground the welds as much as I can. I don't know if you noticed, I put a very thin coating of fiberglass over it. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of filler and blend it all in. The actual repair, I'm quite pleased with it. This bit here, I've done that on my bead roller, that's what we call them. It's the biggest one I could get really, but don't look really that out of place. I think once all this is all smoothed in, and all smoothed in around there, put a little bit of filler, I think they look great. So that's that bit done. This bit here come out really well. So I actually cut down here and welded it and ground it and used a flat wheel, and it came out really good. But the back bit, for some reason, I think what it was, I had trouble welding it because this metal, believe it or not, wasn't as good as that. And there's a bit of a step there. I'm not sure what's going on there, but still, I'll just blend it in. Got to remember, really, the battery trays goes there anyway. But I want to get it looking sort of best as I can. And I think I have. Once I've sanded it all down and put a bit of filler on it, I think it'll look great. Well, I've got some etching primer. I'm just going to give it a very sort of light dusting just to protect it. They're not too bad actually. That corner there didn't come out very well. I must remember and stop using that black marker because it sort of seeps through. Oh, I'll just give this a heavy coat actually. Yeah, not too bad. You can see while it's still wet, it's actually come out alright. A bit I need to spend a bit more time with later on, is that corner there. But the plan really now, like I said before, all these repairs is just sort of do the repairs. There's a little hole there, look. Sort that out later. Yeah, just do the repairs, and when I actually do the body, I shall go back over the whole lot again anyway. So I think it comes out alright. Not a bad job.